Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you the new 2019 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, onto the video. If I might sound a little biased in this video, bear with me, because Lamborghini is my favorite car brand in the world. But don't you worry folks, I will keep it professional in order to give you the most unbiased review that you need. Lamborghini is just a really badass company. They started loving bulls and making tractors. Now they just make the craziest spaceship looking cars in the world. And now they are releasing the all-new 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder. It's Huracan, boys. Huracan, not hurricane or hurricane or hurricane. The Huracan is always been about the drama. From the crazy wedge shape into the Huracan is like a diva with undeniably amazing talent. Though sometimes it's quite hard to figure out what to do with quite such talent. And with the 2020 Huracan Evo coupe, all that drama has been amplified. Now, the exterior of the Huracan, easily one of the best looking cars in the world. Now, with Evo convertible versions of it, it looks amazing. Again folks, only the most unbiased review you will get. The exhaust outlets for the Evo's 5.2-liter V10 are centered high on the tall efficient flow and maximum oral satisfaction. Power is the same in the Performante at 631 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. The peak torque is at 442 pound-feet of torque, which still arrives at a fanatic 5,500 RPM. And the engine red light is at a nosebleed 8,500 RPM. The interior is where the changes are noticeable. Gone with the fuzzy buttons on the center console, now Lamborghini enters the new era of touchscreen infotainment system, 8.4 inch to be precise. Not in the gauge cluster as it already is, but in the center of the car. Now, can we stop for a moment and notice the fighter start-stop button in this freaking car? It's like you're about to launch a missile. It's crazy. Crazy awesome. And then there's the price. The Huracan Evo Spyder starts at $195,000, which is $25K more expensive than the coupe versions. Lamborghini boasts about its Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, or the LDVI system that funnels all sorts of informations through a central processor to optimize the chassis performance for any situations, such as adjusting the rear wheel steering to work with the brake-based torque vectoring and the adaptive dampers to maximize the car's nimbleness. The only drawback is most human beings don't really fit in the cockpit of the Evo Roadster. You see folks? Unbiased review. I even mentioned the drawbacks of it. But as soon as you flip up that fighter jet looking start-stop button, the V10 screams to you and gives you a little chuckle. Put the top down and drive away surrounded by the V10 power bliss and incredible driving performance. Suddenly, the discomfort disappears.